Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Matthew Bain. So welcome back. So let's continue. This is 2025 objective where your question or question number 12 and you're asked to factorize 3 minus 2x then minus x squared. So you see, if you want to factorize this question, here we have it as 3 minus 2x then minus x squared. So the first thing here is to rearrange the question. Okay, by arranging it, we have it that minus x squared here come first, then minus 2x then follows by plus 3. Okay, now they all still maintain their signs intact. So next, now we need to factor out negative sign from this expression. So by doing that, we have negative. Outside here we have positive x squared. Then when this negative comes out here, we have positive 2x here. Then what I have here becomes negative 3, because minus times minus is plus. So next, now we need to factorize this quadratic expression. So as earlier known, I'm looking for two numbers. If I add, I have positive 2. If I multiply the same numbers, I'm having negative 3. Of course, we know that it is 1 and 1 and 3. Are we together? So we have 1 and 3. So how do I go about it? This become minus 1 and plus 3. Either negative 1 or positive 3. Because minus 1 plus 3 would give me positive 2, and minus 1 times 3 would give me negative 3. So now I have this to be, that becomes x squared here, then negative x, which is negative 1, then plus 3x here. This comes down, becomes negative 3, as we know. So we have this now, guys. What is common here? We have it to be x here, I have it to be x minus 1, then plus I have it to be 3, which is common here, then x here minus 1. Are we good to go? So next, guys, we have here to be, this is either I have x minus 1 as a factor here, and I have x plus 3 here, and x plus 3. But remember, here we have a negative sign, which is this. Exactly. So having this now, it means we're going to use this negative sign to open one of either of the brackets. Exactly. So we're using this negative sign to open the first bracket. You can also use it to open the second bracket as well. You still have the same answer. So, but I'm using here like minus 1. So I'm using it to open the first bracket. So by doing that, you have x times minus times x, we have negative x. The minus times minus is plus, then 1. So the 1 here becomes positive. So lastly, guys, I should be having something like, since 1 here is positive, it can be written as positive 1, then negative x, and finally this one comes here intact, and this is my final answer. Okay, so from the question here we have, this is our question number 12, and the correct answer to this question is for option D. Right? So guys, I hope this question makes sense very well. So please don't forget to share, to subscribe, and to like. Thank you.